Due to our location in the solar belt, Mexico is a country that allows easily the growth of this type of energy. If we see the solar radiation that the country receives, we can notice that the generation of photovoltaic energy in Mexico is possible and easier than in other countries. As Hector Olea, president of Asolmex, said, the models installed in our country that generate energy due to sunlight increased 62% to 4,057 megawatts from 2018 to 2019. Also, according to Forbes, the goal in Mexico is that by 2024, 35% of the energy should come from renewable energy sources, 37.7% by 2030 and 50% by 2050. So as we can see, Mexico has a lot of potential in generating photovoltaic energy. The photovoltaic cell is a device that converts the energy generated by light into electricity due to the photovoltaic effect. The photovoltaic module is an electrotechnical device that works through sunlight. Its primary use to keep out humidity and survive heat. And finally, the cell array is a combination of solar and photovoltaic cells that group together form the solar panels that we know. The open circuit and short circuit tests are useful to obtain the maximal efficiency on the photovoltaic cell. The open circuit test is used to determine the maximum voltage in our cell by equating the current to zero. On the other hand, the short circuit tests are used to determine the maximum current in our cell by equating the voltage to zero. Then, in the middle point of the two graphs obtained that I will show you in the next picture, we will find the maximum power, which is the value in which we will want our photovoltaic cell to function in order to have the best efficiency. So, in the next picture that I will show you, we can see that in the open circuit we have the blue line in which we initially have a current equalized to zero, and then it goes to the maximum power. And then in the short circuit, we have the green line that goes from a current to a zero voltage. And then we can see the middle point that it's the maximum power in which, as said before, we will have the maximum efficiency of our solar panel. In order to satisfy the condition of having 10 volts with a 1 ampere cells, we will need 10 cells with a configuration of 1 volt and 0.1 amperes each, configured in a parallel circuit, because as learned through this course, when this configuration is found, the current and voltage are added in each cell, not divided.